This is how to remove an object from a photo on Pixlr. Drop a like if this helps, let's go. Start building passive income skills, click the link down below. Open up Pixlr, pixlr.com. As you can see, this is a free image photo editor. Click right here, open AI photo editor. This free photo editor, you can drag an image of your choice. You can do right here, full HD, click on apply. Let's say you want to remove an object from this photo. You want to go to the top right hand screen. Right here where it says locked, or this lock icon, it's now unlocked. And then now you go to the top left hand screen. It's quite simple. You should see the third option right here which says cut out. Click on here, mode, keep, or remove. And you can even zoom in by holding Alt on your keyboard and scrolling in on your mouse. And now as you can see, you can click anywhere on the screen and it will remove the object. As you can see, you have different shapes, or you can even have the draw cutout tool, the lasso cutout tool. So if we just go like this, we're holding down, it removes completely for free in Pixlr.